Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve problem which takes a sentence or group of words and find the most repeated word in that particular group of words or sentence. Let's see the problem description. Here in this problem we need to create two functions. The first function takes string as input and returns a dictionary containing word occurrence as key value paste. Function 2 takes a string as input and finds the word having maximum number of occurrences. Use function 1 here. Input good morning, good evening. Here most frequently repeated word is good, hence the output is good. Hello, bye, hi, TCS, hello, explore, hello, bye. In this, the hello word is most frequently repeated, hence the output is hello. This problem is most important in TCS after placements. Here we are creating a class which consists of two functions. One function splits the sentence into a list of words, and the list of words, the frequency of each and every word is calculated and stored in the dictionary. The one function does this operation and another function finds the maximum number of times the particular word is repeated and returns that word. Now we are creating a class called count word. In this we are creating a method which calculates the frequency of each and every word. Calculate frequency of word, and it takes an argument and it must take a sentence, so we are using just s. Now we are taking an empty list. First, for I in s dot split, here that particular group of words which are separated by space are splitting, and the group of words are converted into a list of words, and we are taking each and every of that word. Here actually we need to create a dictionary, so we are using D. Now we are creating if the particular word I in D of I is equals to A of I plus 1. If I is not present in D, else D of I is equals to 1. Here, if the particular word is present in D, then we are incrementing the occurrences of the word, and if it is not present in D, now we are initializing the word frequency as 1. Now we need to return the dictionary. Let's create another method which calculates the word which is repeated more number of times, that is max underscore word. It takes self and it must takes a dictionary, so we are using D, or you can use another variable called dict as it is predefined. Let's take dict1. Here we are finding the maximum number of word, so using for loop, for key comma value in dict1 dot items, it returns a list of tuples. Now if v is equals to max of dict1 dot values, if it is true, then we need to return the value of k. Return k, that means the particular word we are returning. Now let's write the main method. Now here we need to take the word, that is sentence. Sentence is equals to input. Next we are passing this sentence into this function. Let's create object first. Obj is equals to count word of. Next we are calling that function. We are calling this function frequency word. and we are passing this particular sentence variable. Next, here we need to reference that object dot. Next, that particular dictionary is passing into the max word. So the output is a most frequency repeated word. Let it be stored in word variable object dot maximum word. It For this we need to pass the dictionary. Next we get the word which is repeated more number of times. Hence we are printing what. Let's see our code once again. Here we are taking the sentence and creating an object for this class and passing this sentence variable into the frequency word. Here in this we are taking the sentence or and we are creating an empty dictionary. For each and every word in s.split, we are checking whether it is present in dictionary or not. If it is present in dictionary, we are incrementing its count, and if it is not, we are initializing its count as 1, and we are returning the dictionary. This dictionary is stored, that d is stored, the dictionary is stored in a d variable in our main method. In this, next we need to find the most frequently repeated word, so we are passing this d into this max word method defining count dot word, so object dot max word of d. So here dictionary 1 stores all the words with their frequencies. Here dict.items gives list of tuples, that is key value pairs. List of key value pairs in the form of tuples. Each and every tuple for in this iteration is stored in the form of k comma v. K stores the key and v stores the value. If the value is equals to max of all the values in that particular dictionary, then we are returning that particular word, and the particular word is printed at the final. Let's run our code. Let's paste this input. We got output as good. Good is the most frequently repeated word in this sample case. Let's run our code by inputting another sample sentence. Yes, in this hello is the most frequently repeated word and it is repeated 3 number of times. We got the same output. That's all in this video. For this code I am attaching it in the description. You can refer to it for any doubts. Thank you.